Your exam is about to begin, but Safe Exam Browser won't even open. One simple installation mistake could stop you from accessing your exam. I will show you exactly how to download and install Safe Exam Browser the right way. So let's make sure you are completely ready before exam day. First, let's know what is Safe Exam Browser. SEB is a specialized web browser designed for secure online exams, and unlike a regular browser, it limits access to other websites, applications, keyboard shortcuts, and system functions during the exam. And this helps institutions create a controlled testing environment and reduce opportunities for unauthorized assistance. Check your system requirements. So before installing Safe Exam Browser, make sure your computer meets the required system specifications. So for that, check your operating system is supported, you have a stable internet connection, enough storage space, and any required administrator permissions. Reviewing these requirements beforehand can help you avoid installation issues later. Now, download Safe Exam Browser. Always download it from its official website. So select the version that matches your operating system, such as Windows or macOS, and avoid downloading installers from unofficial sources. Using the latest official release helps ensure compatibility, security, and access to recent bug fixes. Then install Safe Exam Browser. After downloading the installer, open it and follow the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement, choose the recommended installation setting, and complete the setup. Once the installation finishes, launch SEB to confirm that it opens correctly. Now import your exam configuration. Many institutions provide a Safe Exam Browser configuration file, often with a .seb extension. Opening this file automatically applies the exam's required settings, such as permitted websites and security restrictions. So this way, this ensures every candidate uses the same standardized exam environment. Troubleshoot common installation problems. If SEB doesn't install or launch properly, first identify the cause. And common causes include insufficient permissions, unsupported operating systems, antivirus interference, or an invalid configuration file. Following the appropriate troubleshooting steps usually resolves these problems before exam day. Prepare before exam day. A little preparation can prevent unnecessary stress during the exam, so restart your computer, close unnecessary applications, confirm your internet connection is stable, connect your charger if you are using a laptop, and test SEB in advance if your institution offers a practice exam. Now, using SEB during the exam. So on exam day, launch SEB exactly as instructed by your institution. Follow all on-screen directions and avoid attempting to bypass any restrictions. If you experience technical difficulties, notify your instructor or technical support immediately instead of trying to fix the issue yourself during the exam. Finally, BMH expert tip. Many exam issues happen because students wait until the last minute to install SEB. Install it at least one day before your exam and perform a test launch if your institution provides a practice exam. This was all. Thanks for watching.